Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we gonna set up genymotion and enable it in this version 4.1. Okay, go first to settings or hit Ctrl S and find plugins. If you select the marketplace tab and explore genymotion, nothing found, and they removed in from repository. Then we should install it manually. Go to website genymotion.com/plugins and download this jar file genymotion idea plugin.jar. Download it and then click on this gear and install plugin from disk and point to that file. I downloaded downloads and genymotion. Then hit OK and OK, and you will see this icon. If you didn't see this icon, you go to view and enable toolbar. If it is disabled, it doesn't see. And if you enable it, gonna where here, this. Then you click and select your appropriate versions of Android USB version and start. It loads up. We are loading platform 6, Android version 6.0, and it shortly load up. Here is your emulator and you can use it. Thanks for watching.